Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming power. Charge the case and both AirPods to at least 50%. Once done, put both AirPods in the case and close the lid for 30 seconds, then open it. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings. This clears pairing conflicts. Next, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. This forces a factory reset. You do this because software pairing is the most common cause of one-sided audio. You now repair. With the white LED flashing, bring the case near your device and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Once paired, make sure both AirPods connect. You should see separate left/right battery values. Next, check your phone's accessibility audio balance and set it to the center. This prevents one channel from being muted. Then play a left-only tone and a right-only tone to verify physical speaker output. If both play, the fix worked. If not, continue. If audio still favors one side, remove the problem AirPod and inspect the mesh. Use a soft brush, then a single cotton swab lightly dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean. Once dry, swap the AirPods between left and right case slots and test again. This isolates case detection faults. If the issue persists, try another full reset. Key troubleshooting tip: if swapping positions or cleaning yields no change, the driver may be damaged. Contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.